Hello, I'm Dr. Aadal Qureishi. I'm doing my internal medicine training in India in Kerala. So recently I've given my April 2024 part 1 diet and I have passed with great scores. I'm extremely happy. I'm extremely grateful to Almighty and to our SARS syndrome course. So coming to the MRCP syndrome course, so randomly I was scrolling through Facebook one day and I've seen this MRCP syndrome page. I just entered and I've seen so much of beautiful positive reviews regarding his Pearl Notes and Mad Box. Regarding this Pearl Notes as well as Mad Box. To a random link, they took me directly to his WhatsApp number. So we had a brief discussion and finally I took a good tariff which contained all the other things, all the courses about the past paper course, about the Mad Box course, about the RCP sample paper course, about the Pearl Notes, everything was there. So one thing I'm telling you is that I completely followed his words. I had complete faith in his words. I followed only what he had told me to do. So yes, even though there was a lot of videos, he had asked me like which one has to be seen first, which one has to be seen at the last, which one is mandatory, which is not mandatory. Dr. Raj sir is a very kind teacher. He's extremely passionate about his teaching. Available day in and out whenever we can actually need any sort of help, or we are having any doubt, even if it is a very small doubt, we can actually message him. He will reply within seconds and clear our doubts. So I wish him all the best, all happiness, all peace, all success, and I know that this MRCP syndrome course will help everyone, and I'm extremely thankful to my Almighty that he had introduced me to a Dr. Hath. So thank you and all the best wishes for his future endeavors, and I will definitely do my part 2 course from him only. So I'm waiting for my dates to confirm and I will definitely do my part 2 from him only. Thank you so much, Dr. Hath. So I would like to tell everyone that the examination is not that easy. It has got its own difficulties. There are certain tactics which Ahad Sas will definitely tell you that, and actually we can approach the question so easily, and definitely we will pass. So thank you and have a good day every day. Everyone, sorry. Thank you. Take care.